Today is a very special day. We have been learning in your classrooms about how friends in the community help us. Can you think of some people in the community who help us? At Little Early Childhood Center, we've been working on strengthening our community partnerships. And so in the classroom, the students have been learning about people in our community who help us. Today, we had several different groups of community members that have helped us here at the school. Of those groups, we had Calvary United Methodist Church, which is our church partner for Little, and they brought us a bunch of classroom toys. And then also we had Wichita State University students and staff from the engineering department and the Go Baby Go program, and they are working with us on adapting a car. So today we had the finished product of the car, and so we had everybody together. We got to drive the car around, and really a special part about the car is that it's, we have a couple of other adapted cars, but this is the first one that we have that actually has room for 2 students. So we can have both regular education students and students with special needs riding together. One controls the stop and the go, and one controls the steering. So it's a great way for kids just to work together. Here it goes! Wave at your friends!
Is super special. It is able to fit all of our students and their abilities. What they did at WSU is they did a couple things for us. We have 2 ways to control the car. There's the foot plate, that's the traditional way that kids will drive the car, and then we have what's called a Big Mac, or a big red switch here. This is another way that the car can be activated. So what WSU did is they made a switch for us back here. So this switch moves back and forth from either control here or the foot plate. So we have our students that maybe cannot drive, push the button and steer at the same time. They're going to be in this spot, being the person that makes the car go, and then our friends will be steering. If we have friends that can steer and push the pedal, then they will be in the seat and we can switch it back and forth. They also added a kill switch for us on the back, so for safety reasons. They're first learning how to drive, so steering is probably not 100% yet, so that gives us the ability to stop and keep our kids safe.
You gotta drive with 2 hands, that's a rule.
I talked with our friends at the Wichita Police Department, and they hooked us up with eGraphics as the company that makes all of their specialty ones. We wanted to make sure we got the decals exactly right, so we called them, we purchased them from them, and we put them on, and I think they're pretty close to how they're supposed to be on each part of the car.
The kids have loved a partnership that we've had with the Wichita Police Department, and so this is just kind of an extension of that, and hopefully you saw their smiling faces today just when they got to see the car driving around. They're 3, 4, and 5 years old, and so that car piece is huge in their life, so hopefully they'll all get a chance to ride in the car.
There you go.
I think they're going to be thrilled. I'm really excited. I know that they love our police officers when they come in the building, and I think this is just another way for them to pretend that they're an officer for the day and also be with their friends. Everybody loves to drive a car.